Expectations for artificial intelligence technology are increasing, and its utility value is growing, leading to active use in the public sector. The use of artificial intelligence technology in the public sector has a positive impact on aspects such as improving public work efficiency and service quality, enhancing transparency and reliability, and contributing to the development of technology and industries. For these reasons, major countries, including Korea, are actively developing and using artificial intelligence in the public sector. However, artificial intelligence also presents issues such as bias, inequality, and infringement of individuals' right to self-determination, which are evident even in its utilization in the public sector. Especially, the use of artificial intelligence technology in the public sector has significant societal implications, as well as direct implications on limiting and infringing upon the rights of citizens. Therefore, careful consideration is necessary in the introduction and utilization of such technology. This paper comprehensively examines the legal issues that require consideration regarding the introduction of artificial intelligence in the public sector. Methodological discussions that can minimize the risks that may arise from artificial intelligence and maximize the utility of technology were proposed in each process and step of introduction.